Hey guys, welcome back to Birding Scientist. So today we're going to be doing the fantastic Fizz. And my name is Renita.
My name is Tobin.
And these are the items. We have citric acid, baking soda, gloves, a spoon. We have water. We have chest tubes. And you're going to need a dry one. And we have a dropper. And he's going to explain us the fizzy part.
So first get a spoon. You need to wear gloves on or get a parent. So first you need 1 spoon of citric acid. I just mixed in one spoon of citric acid. Now I'm pouring in 1 spoon of baking soda. So I just poured in 1 spoon of baking soda. Now you have to close the lid and shake the citric acid and the baking soda. After you're done mixing, open the test tube. Then get 2 ml of water. 2 ml of water and pour it in here.
And watch the reaction.
If you guys like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Birding Scientist.